So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Realme N1 Sonic electric toothbrush. So let's get started. So first we'll keep the product aside and see about the manual. Basic instructions. So we'll just read it out, and here's the box information about the toothbrush. So I'll just take a photo. And the MRP is around 1100 rupees. I bought this in Amazon for 800 rupees, which is actually a steal because you get 300 rupees off on an electric brush. So let's see about the brush itself. Okay, it feels really heavy and it is nice. It is not any kind of cheap plastic. It has C port in it to charge, and there is a charger for it too. That is pretty nice to give a charger. And here is the brush tip. So I'll do a satisfying sound for you guys. Heard it? There was ASMR. And this is the brush tip. So let me say something about the brush. So guys, there are two sides of blue bristle which indicates you to when to change the brush tip. And it is kind of soft. So let me show you how to put it in. There's a knob here. There's a knob here for putting it in correctly. So I'm having some trouble here. Okay, it is connected now, and you have to twist and lock it. So I'm turning it on for the first time. Can you guys hear the sound of it? Okay, there are three modes in it. The first one is soft, the second one is clean, and the third one is polish. And there is a battery indicated here too. When you turn it on, the symbols light on and the battery shows in green and yellow and orange. So the quality of it is pretty good, and I really appreciate the build quality of it too, because Realme has built this in a cheap price variant, and yet it has very high quality to it. It spins around 20,000 times per minute and 7 rated. So of course it would be rated because it is going inside your mouth. The battery stays in for 130 days, and this has 3 modes as I told. This has a soft sensitive tip, and this thing also has an antibacterial bristles to it. So okay, let's do it again. So after using for it for a week, I clearly saw a difference in my teeth by using the clean mode and the polish mode, and it is way whiter than before. And I noticed few things compared to the Colgate charcoal electric toothbrush, which is the Realme one is less bulky, makes less noise, and it can easily fit in every single toiletry kit. Now let's talk about the charge. The charge in this lasts around 130 days because it runs on a battery which is inbuilt and it is chargeable. Instead of wasting 900 rupees plus 500 on the Colgate Charcoal's electric toothbrush. It is way cheaper and more efficient. Now let's talk about the battery capacity. The Realme has 800 mAh battery capacity in it, which is inbuilt and you can charge it by the C-type charger. The Colgate electric toothbrush has an AAA rechargeable battery in it. You have to buy the AAA rechargeable battery separately because it costs around 300 to 500 rupees on Amazon. So now let's talk about the specs again. Specs in a toothbrush, you might think, but there is 20,000 times per minute spin in this toothbrush. That is quite a lot. And DuPont 99.99% antibacterial bristles, 130 days of battery life, 3 cleaning modes, safe food grade brush headed, and IP7 water resistance, which is needed for a brush actually. Should you buy it? Yes, you can. If you are planning to get an electric brush, you can buy it. If you have a higher amount or a budget, you can try getting Flips or the Realme M1. But you have in low budget, you can buy this one instead of buying Xiaomi or Colgate. So we have come to an end, guys. Please like, share, subscribe this video, and comment down what is your thought. If I did any mistakes, please comment it down short and quickly. So that's it. Bye, guys.